Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing well this week. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk, where we keep you up to date on the latest Scholars athletics and sports. My name is Kayla, and here's what will be on the lineup from December 14th to December 20th. High school. Starting with high school athletics, Monday, December 15th will feature a girls basketball home game at 4:30 p.m., followed by cheer practice at 7 a.m. On Tuesday, December 16th, on Wednesday, December 17th, a swim meet will be held at 4:30 p.m. with a boys basketball home game at 5 p.m. Cheer will have yet another practice at 7 a.m. on the gym on Thursday, December 18th, followed by a girls basketball away game at 4:30 p.m. Later that day, wrapping up the week, the final athletic event will be a boys basketball home game on Friday, December 20th at 12 p.m. Moving on to middle school athletics this week, the boys basketball team will play in an away game against Kappa 5 on Monday, December 15th, and will return for practice at 3 p.m. on Thursday, December 18th. That will be all for Scholars Athletics this week, but make sure to stay up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholar Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel, checking out psal.org, and looking at our calendar under the school landing page, so you don't miss out on any opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholar Sports throughout the season. That's it for the sports report for this week. I'm Kayla, and I'll see you next time.